Are you tired of bland, boring brats? Would you like to make them better? Well, stick around, I'll show you how. I started off by filling the fire bowl with some natural lump charcoal, added a fire starting square, lit it, and added some coals around it to get it going quicker. Then I opened the bottom vent all the way, put the main grate on the grill, closed the lid, and opened the top vent wide open to get it up to temperature. After heating up for a while, I turned down the bottom vent as well as the upper vent, opened the lid, and added my cast iron pan to heat. After the pan heated up for a bit, I added some olive oil, and then I added my homegrown ripe peppers from my garden, which includes some Melrose and some Hungarian wax peppers, along with about a half a red onion. And I stirred them all together and let them cook until they cooked down and browned a little bit. I also added several sprigs of fresh thyme too. Stirred it all in real nice and let it cook down some more. Then I poured a can of beer into it. Yeah, I know what kind of beer it is. It wasn't my first choice, trust me. It's all I had on hand. I added all of my brats to the poaching liquid, as well as some beer mustard. Gotta have the mustard. Then I closed the lid and let them poach for a while. Every so often, opening the lid and turning them from time to time, until the internal temperature is 150 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Whereupon I'll take them out of the pan and put them directly on the grate around the edge of the grill. This will help brown them up quite nicely. And after turning them a couple times to brown them up all around, I'll put them back in the pan, and back in the poaching liquid, and turn down the vents, both the top and bottom vents, down real low, just to keep them warm long enough until they're ready to serve. And when you're ready to eat, just pull them off the grill. It's that simple. And boy, do they look delicious. And that's how you do brats right. The result is full bellies, happy faces, and a good time. Hope you liked it. If you feel like you have some comments, put them down below. If you're a new viewer and not yet subscribed, click the subscribe button and ring the bell to get notified of future videos, all right? Everybody, thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all next time. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out other videos on my YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe.